Does your lips get dry during the winter season? Do you ever feel worried that you've used everything in the market and it's not working for you? Life with Afua got the solution for you. Stay with me throughout the video and don't go anywhere. Keep scrubbing the lips till you see the sugar has been dissolved and wash it off, okay? After you've used the lip scrub to scrub the dead cells from your lips, you need to get a washcloth like this and then rub your lips in a circular motion as you see me doing. This will get rid of all the dead skin on the lips. Can you see all this white stuff on my lips? Yes, that's the dead skin going away, fading away gradually. So do this till you see no white residue on your lips, okay? Now this is the ish. This is my favorite part, my god. Moisturizing. You can moisturize your lips with Vaseline, with shea butter, with coconut oil, with any moisturizing stuff you have, okay? You can use baby oil, any oil of your choice, because all the dead skin has been gotten rid of. So we have the juicy lips. Subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to comment. All right, I love you. See you in my next video.